Okay, see here. So the Western Ghats. So here we can see this. So this is called as total peninsula. So peninsular plateau and Ghats and hills. So we are calling this as peninsula. Why we calling this as peninsula? Because peninsula is nothing but three sides water. So three sides water and one side land. So one side land is called as the peninsula. Island is nothing but so four sides water. We can see that the four sides water. Okay, but three sides water is there and one side land is there means that is called as peninsula. Okay, next to see here in this peninsula. So what is there means here. Okay, first we can see here that is these are called as the Western Ghats. First we will go through these mountains. Western Ghats is there. Next on the eastern side here we can see this Eastern Ghats, and here also we can see this Nilagiris. Okay, so this is called as so Western Ghats. Next here we can see this one as the Eastern Ghats. So Eastern Ghats can be seen here. Next downside here we can see this Nilagiris. Okay, Nilagiris. So Nilagiris are here downside. So these are the mountains present on the peninsula. Next we go for rivers. So if you see the rivers, okay, as this is the called as the Ganga river. Next here Narmada. Just remember this is Narmada and this is Tapati. So upper one is called as Narmada. Okay, here Narmada is there. Just remember Narmada. So here we can see this Narmada river. Can you see here? Just here we can see this Narmada. And next one here we can see this Tapati river. Rivers are very important for public. Listen carefully. And here one more river is there here. That is Mahanadi. So its name is just Mahanadi river. And here the very important one is Godavari river. This is Godavari river. And here we can see this is called as the Krishna river. Okay. Next it is called as the Kaveri river. And of course here the small Penna river is there. Just in our Andhra Pradesh it is flowing. Just remember this one. Very important for public. And of course here also we can see this. So the names also given here. Okay, here you can see this. Here you can see the Narmada and Tapati. So Narmada and Tapati are present in the they are flowing from eastern side to western side. So actually these Narmada and Tapati, they are flowing from eastern side to western side. So like this direction. But almost all rivers are flowing from west to east side, and finally they are joining the Bay of Bengal. Okay, so even this Krishna river, so Krishna river can be seen here, and Godavari river. Next to Kaveri river, here also just a small penna is there. Okay, so just to remember this, rivers are very important for public, and also sometimes they may ask for map pointing. And here also we can see this Chota Nagpur plateau, Malwa plateau. Next Deccan plateau, this totally it is called as Deccan plateau. Okay, so sometimes they may ask for map pointing. While locating these plateaus, just keep round circle. Example, so you can see like this. So this is called as the Deccan plateau. So here you can see this. So like this you can point. Okay, next here Malwa plateau is there. Next for Deccan plateau, you can use the triangle shapes. Okay, so here you can see this total Deccan plateau. Okay, just okay. So while locating this Deccan plateau, just to draw like this triangle, and then write this as the Deccan plateau. Okay, next here Chota Nagpur Plateau, and here just a small one Malwa Plateau. And in this also here one more thing you have to remember, that is Aravali Mountains. Aravali Mountains are very important. So they are present in the Rajasthan and Gujarat and Punjab. So three states can be seen here. Okay, Rajasthan, Punjab and Gujarat. So remember these things, very important for public. And here also we can see this one, as we can see here. Uh, so here we can see this. So here, okay, here this is called as the Krishna River. Once again, just I'm reminding you. And very important one is here, one more river is there, Luni River. Okay, its name is just Luni River. Okay, so this one is very important. So Luni or Loon River, very important. In Rajasthan, sometimes they may ask Luni River to point out. And actually, here some mistake was given here. This Luni River, it is not going to join in the Arabian Sea. Actually, it was merging in the run of Kutch, that is in Gujarat. In Gujarat, just it was going to merge. Okay, in the Kutch region. So Kutch is having so many small ponds, small lakes will be there. Some lake-like structures will be there. That is the ponds. It is called as Kutch region. Okay, Kutch is present in the Gujarat. Okay, so Luni River is very important. And one more thing is Indira Canal. So Indira Canal is very important. Where it was there means it was there in Rajasthan. You can see this Rajasthan. Okay, just remember these things are very important. So just now I said rivers. So this is Ganga River, Mahanadi River. Mahanadi River, sometimes they may ask that states, in which states this Mahanadi River is flowing, or in which states it was going to connect. So sometimes they may ask like that. So this is the Orissa. Mainly Orissa state is having this Mahanadi River, and some parts of Jharkhand and West Bengal. These three states, and Chhattisgarh, as 4 states are there. And almost all rivers are flowing towards the east side. Only 3 rivers are flowing towards the west side. That is Arabian Sea, Indus River, and sometimes this Luni River also flowing towards the west side, and Narmada and Tapati. Okay, just remember this. So these are all about this matter. So if you read this matter totally, so it was like this only. You can understand this very easily. And so next we will move forward. So here Anaimali hills are there. So sometimes in the South India also, they may ask the highest mountain in South India. That is Anaimali hills. Just it was given picture. Okay, see here. So here Western Ghats is there. So we can see here the Western Ghats, Anaimali hills. So this is the picture of these mountains. Okay, you can see this. Next we'll move forward. Just next deserts. As this is the desert, you know that Thar desert. Okay, Thar desert is there here. Okay, just a Thar desert. So Thar desert is the desert located in Aravalli ranges and receive the very low rainfall ranging from 100 to 150 millimeters per year. Mainly it was present in Rajasthan, and it is having the arid climate. If you read this paragraph means, so you can understand very easily. So this is the one place is given here, a settlement in Thar desert and Indira Gandhi Canal. So Indira Gandhi Canal, which is the longest canal in the country. Okay, we can see here what is the kilometers. So here kilometers also given. It is about nearly 650 kilometers. Very important. Sometimes they may ask for bits also. Indira Gandhi Canal. What is the distance or what is the length of this Indira Gandhi Canal? Means 650 kilometers. Okay. Next, we'll see this coastal plains. Okay. Next, see here coastal plains. Coastal plains are very important. So coastal plains are divided into three types. So coastal plains are divided into three types. One is Konkan coast, next Canara coast, next Malabar coast. So Konkan coast, this is the northern part. It touches the Maharashtra and Goa. And next one Canara, it is the middle part. It includes the plains of Karnataka. And Malabar coast, this is the southernmost and most of the state of Kerala. So coastal plains. So we can see these plains, very important. Malabar coast till the Kerala. And this was given only towards this the western side, western coastal plains. Actually, coastal plains are two types: eastern coastal plains and western coastal plain. So see here, these three are present in the western coastal plains. Okay, so western coastal plains. Next, so eastern coastal plains. So eastern coastal plains, later we'll discuss that. But these are the three are the eastern western coastal plains. Okay, so we'll see this. Next, we'll move forward. So see here. Of course, here also given that is eastern coastal plains. It was given here. The names are given just. So here we can see these names. So names are here. So this paragraph is very important. So this paragraph is very important. See here. So if you see this one, so from here, so here it is given. Very important. So Utkal coast means Odisha. Sirkar coast means Andhra Pradesh. Coromandel coast means Tamil Nadu. So this is the eastern coastal plains. Okay, eastern coastal plains. Okay, just remember this. Next, we'll move forward. Just islands. So here there are two types of two islands are there actually. So one is you can see this Andaman Nicobar Islands. So here it is given that. So that is here. So Andaman Nicobar Islands, one group, and next one is the Lakshadweep. So Lakshadweep. Why it is called as Lakshadweep means so 1 lakh islands are there. Just in those days, they thought that there may be some 1 lakh islands. So that's why it is called as the Lakshadweep. Next, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So there are two islands are there. One is Andaman Islands. The next one is Nicobar Islands. What is the capital city for Andaman Nicobar Islands? So it is Port Blair. Port Blair is the capital of this Andaman Nicobar Islands, which is controlled by India. Next, Lakshadweep is there. So what is the capital of Lakshadweep? So it is Kavaratti. So sometimes they may ask this in the public. Okay, just to remember this. Kavaratti. Next, these Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So they are having they are having this coast that is coral reefs. They are called as coral reefs. So example is here, some pictures are given here. So here the pictures given that is coral reefs. So coral reefs are protecting the earth. You know that in the science it may come. So these coral reefs are very important. They are present downside of the sea, but they are touching towards the mainland of the mainland. So suppose here some India is there. India border is there. That is here. This side is the ocean and this side is land. Then in the border of this one, in the deep in the sea, some different types of coral reefs are present. Okay, so coral reefs are very important. They are also one of the resources for human beings. So mainly you can see this Lakshadweep. Okay, Lakshadweep are having this more coral reefs. and also this Andaman Nicobar is also having these coral reefs. Okay, so all these things are important for public. Okay, I hope this and you have understand this. We have understood this. So see here. Okay. Okay. So just now we have discussed about this one, and now actually you know this one already. You have read about this one, but just revision, so that may be very helpful for you. So as the exams are very nearer, so they may be much useful for you. Of course, at home, sometimes you will not. That means you won't get interest to read this one, but at least you can listen. Just if you listen these classes means, so that may be helpful for your exams. Okay, and now, so if you have any doubts means, now you can pose. Okay, just a promo is raising hand like in the class. Okay, very nice. So just I will unmute. Okay, what is your doubt?
Sir, I say again endogastric about endogastric.
So lot of disturbance. Yes, promo.
Sir, say about the endogastric planes again.
Say about
Endogastric plane.
Gangetic plains. So just now only I said no Indo-Gangetic plains. That means you did not listen, I think. Okay, but already completing. So the warning is still ask any other doubts. So explanation means once again just you ask once again. So Indo-Gangetic plains. Here. What promo? What is your doubt?
Endogastric plane, sir.
Indo-Gangetic.
I didn't hear that.
Okay, just I will tell this. Okay, Indo-Gangetic plains just in brief. Okay, Indo-Gangetic plains. Just now once again I will show you that the screen. So here we'll see this. So here Indo-Gangetic plains are there. We'll see this. I'll show you. So the Himalayas. Okay. So this is Indo-Gangetic plains. Actually, Indo-Gangetic plains are divided into 3 types. Okay. So see here. Indo-Gangetic plains are divided into 3 types. So here we can see this one. The western part, central part, and eastern part. Western part is nothing but the Pakistan and western some parts of India. Central part nothing but the Madhya Pradesh, next to Uttar Pradesh, Delhi, Punjab. So these regions they may come under central part. Next eastern part, that is the eastern states are there. Assam, okay. Next to Nagaland, Tripura. So all those they comes under eastern part. Actually, these are the plains. Why we are calling this as plains? Because there is no mountains. There are very less mountains are there. That means we can see so many agricultural lands are there, and these plains are so just less hills are there and plains are there. Plains means nothing but there will be no mountains. Okay, we can see that slope land. These are very fertile lands. We can grow any kinds of crops we want. That's why these Indo-Gangetic plains are very rich in the fertility of the soil. So the fertility of the soil is very rich with nutrients. So that's why they can grow any kind of crops they want. Okay, that is about this Indo-Gangetic plains. And the next, still any doubts?
No,
Next
sir.
persons, Jagadish, Upendra, Bharadwaj,
No,
Uppu. What?
no, sir.
Still anybody? Any doubts? Promo, of course. Tulasi, Dhananjay.
Upendra.
Uppu.
Rohit.
Jaggu.
Upendra. Yo, Upendra, doubts.
Jaggu. Jaggu, I think you are eating
With
them.
doubts.
What?
Bano doubts.
Upendra, doubts.
Uppu, Jaggu,
Steroid doubts. Steroid doubts.
Sunny,
Steroid.
Tejas, Banaprasad,
GV.
GVK. Is there? Where is the GVK?
GV.
Steroid doubts.
Some people said still they did not join.
Who are you?
Rohit, what are you eating?
What?
Steroid doubts.
Still any?
Morning tiffin.
Still. Okay.
Upendra, why are you dancing?
Uma Nageshwar. Dheera.
Kumara, yes, sir.
On video.
Dear Raj. So I want to see your faces once. Just
One by
your
three
faces
is
once.
All members on video.
3 అంటే
Upendra.
1.5 అన్న.
Okay.
Rohit.
1.5 అయితే ఇక్కడ 0.66 ఎట్లా వచ్చింది?
Sir, Banu
Any
sleep.
doubts are there?
1 divided by 1.5
So it is almost time.
Upendra sleeping. Listen class.
Okay. Uppu, I think he was feeling very drowsy.
No, sir.
Okay. Just now you are waked up. Good morning. I think you are waked up now. Good morning, Uppu.
No, sir.
Upendra, good morning. You woke up now only, no? Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Upendra, good night.
Still so many students are absent, I think.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Upendra, Kana.
Still. Any doubts are there? So anything
Sir, you
about
didn't
any
listen
general
also,
answer,
sir.
no problem. Okay.
Hand
Still anything is
Upendra, doubt రా అడుగురా సార్ ఉపేంద్ర డౌట్ అంటే సార్ చెప్పినాడు
any doubt is there?
No, sir.
చేతురా సార్ ఉపేంద్ర నిజంగా అంటే
You can raise your hand.
డౌట్ ఇదిగోండి సార్ హ్యాండ్ ఎత్తుకున్నాడు సార్ ఉపేంద్ర
Sir, UP doubt ఉంది, sir.
సార్ పార్టిసిపేట్ సార్ వాడు
So anybody can take the screenshot and keep in the WhatsApp these photos. Just
ఏ ఫోటో సార్
Yes, sir, I can.
these class photos.
Sir.
You can keep in the WhatsApp so that the other can understand that class. Just class is completed now. Just.
Yes, sir. I take.
Take the just now take this screenshot and keep any.
I took, sir. Already I took, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So can we close this one?
ఎస్ సార్
Yes, sir. Close, sir.
No, sir. Yes, sir. Which one I have to consider?
No. Yes.
Okay, Promo. Do you want to ask anything? Yeah.
No, sir.
No, sir. So what about this map students also is there? Map 1, map 2. Any map 1?
Somebody. Upendra not there, especially.
Only Upendra.
సార్
Any
Bharat class, good morning.
map 1, map 2 students. I think S1 students are just some people are.
L1 కూడా వచ్చాను సార్ L1 రోహిత్ ఈరోజు L1
Okay. Anybody can join in this one, but no problem. But just I want to know
No
that
problem.
map 1, map 2 students.
What for you?
Interest, sir. In social.
In social.
ఇంగ్లీష్ స్టూడెంట్ సార్
Okay. So,
Sir, Kamal says, sir.
what? Where is that GVK? GVK did not join.
Yes, sir.
ఈరోజు పక్కన ఉంది సార్
GV Kiran something. This where are these fellows? That is What is that fellow's? I think Uday. Uday.
GV.
Uday. That next Mano. L Mano. Manoj Gad.
Why Bangalore, sir?
Where are these?
ఉన్నాడయ్యా ఉన్నాడయ్యా
L Manoj is
Oh,
there.
sorry.
L Manoj is there. Okay. So can we close the session?
బ్రిలియన్ సార్ ఎక్కడ ఉన్నాడు కనబడుతున్నాడు
There is GVK, L Manoj, and also Uday and Nagreddy. Okay.
No, sir. GV,
Okay, of course. Only just some students.
GV playing PUBG, sir.
PUBG.
Bus was playing free fire.
So your exams are very near.
ఈరోజు ప్లేయింగ్ గరేనా ఫ్రీ ఫైర్
Okay. So this
సార్ వెరీ 1 month is there
July.
we close this session. Okay.
సీ వస్తుండే తెలుసుకో
Okay. Okay. So
Yes,
stay at home. Stay safe. Okay. Okay. Bye. See you.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Sai Sandeep also joined.
Upendra, bye.
Sai Sandeep, have you listened the class?
Okay, bye, sir.
July.
Hi Sandeep. So you are just now waked up. Good morning. Okay. You are looking like very drowsy. Okay. Okay. Nice. Sai Sandeep, any doubt is there? Harish,
No, sir.
Srishant, Dheera, Moksha, Dhananjay, Jaggu, Banu. Okay, bye. See you, okay, next class. Okay, bye.